Next, I'll show you the biscuits which I got. So this is from Early Foods, this one. I've got a lot of them actually. These are really pure, no maida, nothing is used in this. Only millets, ragi and all things like that. So it comes, I'll show you. It came like this, okay. Now in this I got a lot of things. Actually I've used them. So the last one, this is left, okay, and the flavor is ragi and amaranth. No maida, gluten free, no preservatives, no additives. Yeah, jaggery millet cookies. So these are jaggery millet cookies with no maida in it, no preservatives, no additives, nothing. So I have also got one porridge packet. This is makhana mix porridge. I take this early morning in breakfast and this is really healthy. Actually, I have used it for once, but I don't like its taste, but it is really healthy. You should definitely try this one. Okay, so it was around, I think, 250 rupees. It was around 250 rupees, right? Then next, so there were 6 packets of biscuits. So one I have already shown you, the jaggery millet cookies, this one. Next is foxtail millet and almonds. It has foxtails, millet and almonds. Look, and this was really yummy. So there were 3 flavors which I really loved. I'll just tell you their names. This is the chocolate one, ragi and chocolate. Then next is your jowar millet and almonds. Okay, jowar millet and almonds. So I'll just separate the ones I really loved the taste of. So jowar millets and almonds I loved. Chocolate I didn't like that much. Not that good. Yeah. So foxtail millet and almonds I really liked. So this is, I'm separating. This ragi and amaranth. This one I haven't yet opened, so we'll do the unboxing in front of you. Next, dry fruits and seeds. Okay. Next is multigrain millets. Look, very yummy. So done, empty. And this was, okay, so this was the bill. Okay, actually I got this a month back and I'm making the video of the review right now because I wanted to taste each and every flavor whichever I got in the biscuits. Okay, and then I wanted to share my experience with you guys, so that's why I'm doing it right now. Okay, so the porridge mix I got for 275, and yeah, there are 6 flavors of biscuit. The MRP was 720 rupees. I got a discount of around 25% and I paid them 588 rupees. Look. So this I got from firsttry.com. This is a site which is giving you 25% off on your first order. So I bought it from there. Amazon was not giving me off on these biscuits, so I preferred buying it from firsttry.com. Okay, if you guys wanna buy all these 6 flavors, go and buy it from there. There was no off on porridge, there was off on these 6 flavors, so you can definitely try it. Yeah, so let's just open this flavor, ragi and amaranth. Yeah, let's do the unboxing. I think this is gonna be really yum. So I'm opening it like this. Let's see. So it comes like this, and yeah, I must tell you the actual price. If you take like only one flavor, then it will cost you 199 rupees. Okay, so this is 150 grams for 200 if you take only one flavor. If you take all the 6 flavors, that is gonna cost you around 600. 588. Okay, let's open this also. So when I open it, it comes like this, and I'm telling you, these biscuits are really healthy, very very healthy they are. So let's open it up. Ta-da! In total we have 18 biscuits in one pack. These are very yummy biscuits. I'll tell you the flavors which I really loved. Let's take out one. Look, shape is like this. Let's try it. This is also nice. Better than the chocolate one. This is better than the chocolate one. So if you are gonna buy for yourself, then go for the ones I'll tell you in a minute. This is closed. Yeah, it has a taste of desi ghee, pure desi ghee. So now I'll show you the biscuits which I really loved. No, this was not good. This was again not good. Dry fruits were today. Yeah. So these three biscuits I really loved having. You know what? The chocolate one is still there in the kitchen. I don't like that one. Wasn't good. So out of these 6 flavors, I liked 4. So first one, yeah, number 1 priority I'll give to this one. This I really loved. Jowar, millet and almond. I really liked this one. This was amazing. You know, best among all. If you wanna try only one flavor, then go for this one. This is the best one. I really loved it. So Jowar, millet and almonds, number 1 on priority list. Then next, yeah, the dry fruit one also I really loved. This is the dry fruit one. I liked it. Next comes in third category, the almond one. This foxtail millets and almond. This on the third, and the one which I opened today, this on the fourth. Okay, this is also really nice. All of the biscuits are very healthy. Why? Because they don't have maida, preservatives. It's written over here also. No maida, no gluten, no preservatives and no additives. So in my opinion, you should definitely try these biscuits, and not the one which have a lot of maida. Okay, the Parle-G and whatnot we take every day. Yeah, Indian market is full of the biscuits which are full of maida. So do try and not to use those biscuits, because that is not good for your health, guys. Go and try this one, the Early Foods. So these are from Early Foods, very healthy, very tasty. Go and try this. Okay, so these were about biscuits. Yeah, the last thing which I bought from Amazon is this earphone. This is from Boat Company, very nice. And the microphone which is inbuilt in the earphone is also amazing. I'm using this one for making this video, so you guys can see yourself that how the voice is coming. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. If you want to buy any of the products which I have shown you today, I'll put the link in the description box. You can go and definitely buy from there. Okay, about firsttry.com, that also a link in the description. You can go and just check it from there if you want to if you want to buy it from there. Okay, so for any queries, you all are most welcome to comment down and ask me. Yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram with the name Foodie Sanjana. Okay, I'll upload more recipes on the channel, guys. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.